shoes on the floor, strobe light tracing our names. You spinning that borrowed blazer. We laugh like kids in the rain. Mirror ball on your face, soft glow over your grin. Your hand snaps into mine, and the night lets us in. Every heartbeat falls in time with your feet. Every shoulder turning as we move through the heat. Night of lightning, you and I are striking. Every step we take sets the floor on fire. Night of lightning, two hearts colliding in this crowded room. You pull me higher, higher. Velvet rope colored smoke, we cut a path through the sound. Girls leaning from the corners, chasing sparks that we found. Spinning under blue beams, your collar open, eyes bright. You shout, the song is ours.